After Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico, we were kind of the natural point of contact of many universities in the States. We realized that there was no coordination whatsoever and no communication. 9 months after the hurricane, we invited them over to Puerto Rico again to reflect on that experience. And RISE was born out of that 3-day workshop. This is RISE 2019, led by UAlbany.
RISE 2019 is about creating a group of academics, people from industry and government to continue the conversation about how to be best prepared pre and post disaster. What really brings all together is the caring for the community, to really create that network to be able to support each other, because we never know when and if our community is the one who's going to be hit.
When a disaster hits, you don't have the luxury of time to figure out what to do. It's a great priority for SUNY to see how we, as one of the largest systems of higher education in the world, could be helpful to respond and help our communities when they're most vulnerable.
The initiatives that we developed between SUNY and CUNY, two significant systems of higher education in the country, to respond to the devastating impacts of Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico. If we can do this on a broader scale across the country, then we as institutions of higher education will have important and significant impacts in our communities.
What the SUNY and CUNY system have done is they have opened the door to dream about the possibility of engagement being of actual substance. When you have two of the largest systems in the country and in the world, you can really reach out through that network effectively to convey an idea, engage participation, and allow for discussion.
We view RISE as a network platform that helps facilitate the science that's coming out of so many different universities, and pairs that with the leadership and the response by communities to extreme weather events, to disasters.
Recent research suggests that ignoring local knowledge extends the recovery and reconstruction time for over 10 years. Universities are the best repositories of local knowledge.
It's about belonging. We've gone too far in breaking that bond of belonging to place and space. The social bonds that unite us are the strongest bonds at a time where our survival is at stake.